Ashija, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Savitha School of Engineering. In the last video, we have seen about the properties of dynamic programming, that is the optimal substructure and the overlapping subproblems. So to store the results in a table, we have to use two different ways. The first way is the tabulation method and the next one is the memorization method. Now we can see in detail about tabulation method. So the tabulation method is based on bottom-up approach. So it will build a table in bottom-up fashion and returns the loss entry from the table. Let us see an example for tabulation method. So we will take an Fibonacci series as an example. So if the condition here is if n is less than or is equal to 1, then it will return the value n. Then f of 0 is initialized with 0 and f of 1 is initialized to 1. Then this is the looping function, and here the for loop has the initialization part, this is the condition part, and this is the increment part. The loop is iterated 4 times. Here the loop is iterated 4 times, and f of 0 is initialized with 0 and f of 1 is initialized with 1. If we take the value of n is equal to 5, then the function Fibonacci function here will have 6 cells. That means 4 times it is iterated in looping function and 2 times it is iterated in the initialization part. So totally 6 times the loop is iterated. So the function f has 6 cells. Now we will see the explanation of this program. So first, in the for loop, it is initialized. The for loop is initialized with the value 2. So we are initializing I is equal to 2. We are starting the value of I with 2. Then the condition part. So I less than or is equal to n. Here I is taken as 2 and n is taken as 5. So the condition is true. So the condition is true here. So we will calculate f of 2. So f of 2 is equal to f of 2 minus 2 plus f of 2 minus 1. So f of 0 plus f of 1. So we know the value of f of 0 is 0. F of 0 is 0 and f of 1 is 1. Why? The f of 0 is in the program itself, it is mentioned as f of 0 is equal to 0 and f of 1 is equal to 1. So the value of f of 0 is taken as 0 and f of 1 is 1. So by combining these two subproblems, we will get the value as 1. So we will place the value of f of 2 using 1. So f of 2 is substituted with 1. So f of 0 is initialized with 0 and f of 1 is initialized with 1. So we have filled those two values already. Then by using these two values, we have calculated f of 2. So f of 2 is equal to 1. Likewise, we have to do for by substituting the value of I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4 and I is equal to 5. So you will get the value 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So this is the first method, tabulation method. Thank you.